Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna make scramble egg with tomato sauce. So guys, today we're gonna make a scramble egg with tomato sauce. I already put on the pan olive oil and chop onion. So we will mix it nicely. Continuously we will mix it. If we will leave it on the flame so it can be burned, so continuously we will saute this all onion with olive oil. So now I salt and now black pepper and chopped basil. So now I gonna open the chiller. So I will take from there tomato sauce. So I will take 1 spoon and I will put on the pan little bit tomato sauce, and remain tomato sauce I have to put again in chiller. So again we will shake it nicely, we will mix it nicely. So you can see the fire also coming up on my face. So continuously we will mixing, and now we will put little bit water, and now as well as we will put our egg liquid which I shake it before. So I will put all of my egg liquid, and again we will mix it with tomato sauce. So continuously guys we will mix it nicely, because we cannot keep on the flame this scramble egg with tomato sauce. If I will keep on the flame, so it can be burned and it can be sticky. So that's why I'm not keeping this one, and continuously I'm mixing. So again I will mix it all, and you can see behind of me there is my one colleague and he is just kidding with me. He wants to show me something, but guys, I was busy on my order, so I was just focusing on my work. But continuously my colleague, he was showing to me something. Now we will put the fresh chopped parsley, and again we will mix it. So almost our scramble egg with tomato sauce has been done. Thank you very much.